Game failing to initialize because of the DirectX DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's sync your multimedia environment and get you back to gaming.
I've linked the primary utility for DirectX in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the DirectX Update 30, a legacy DirectX helper library. It provides unmanaged mathematical and rendering routines, facilitating the visual data link for the December 2007 DirectX manifest.
With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files.
D3DX1030 is often associated with game graphics and audio processing. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX files, and update your GPU drivers for OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA support.
Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths.
A simple restart can resolve file and use errors that mimic a missing Direct3DX message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot.
If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If you still see the error after restarting, then your DirectX environment needs a manual update, and you must use the DirectX June 2010 redistributable to fill in the missing library gaps. This tool is designed to restore compatibility for older graphics APIs that are no longer supported by standard Windows update cycles. Why are we doing this? Well, corrupted graphics metadata often prevents the OS from loading older library versions, and this manual setup forces a clean deployment of the required binaries. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss.
Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Direct3DX DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols.
Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility.
The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Direct3DX. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Direct3DX or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.